debate. Let's talk trucks. So, we all know leefai is making trucks that look just like BRTs, and I have some, and they look great, they feel good, they work good, the weight is good, and I would say they are right up there with Dynamics and BRTs. It's a hot take, but I would say if this is all you can afford, this is not a bad buy. Now, of course, I still like Dynamics more because they elongate your wheelbase, and especially the special edition Dynamics, I really, really like. The regular ones are fine too with the inverted kingpin. They actually grind better because you're not going to hit your kingpin. But I like the look of a standard kingpin. These trucks perform the best, I will say. I do like the way BRTs look more, but I need a specific deck to use BRTs. This deck has a long wheelbase already, and it's a short deck. I think the wheelbase on this is 99, so these trucks bring it in just a tad bit and are perfect on this board. These are the 3.0s. They have the skull and crossbones and the thicker base plate. I also have some 2.0s here, brand new, pretty much brand new. And you can see there is nothing on there. So let's put up the 2.0 and a leefai. You can see the cut is a little bit different on the 2.0, especially like down here. It's a lot more flat, where this is more barreled, but pretty strikingly close. And then of course, you have both sets of Dynamics. They're the exact same, just different kingpins. The worst truck, and just due to having to have specific hardware, is these Y trucks. They're pretty light. They are responsive, but they do not have a flowy turn like Dynamics or BRTs. And you need this special hex key, and they give you a tool, but I bought a complete. So the tool came with 2 hex keys of this, and they mounted the board with hex as well, if you can see that, but it's a smaller diameter, and the tool doesn't have that diameter. So, and this fits dual bearing wheels. So you can put single bearing wheels on here, but you're going to need a washer, or your threads are going to stick out a little bit, and it's just a lot more that you have to have and deal with to use these trucks than Dynamics or BRTs. So that's about it. Dynamic Special Editions, I would say, is number one because you really don't have to do anything to them. They're nice and responsive right out of the package, and they only get better when you break them in. And if you like riding loose, um, definitely BRTs. I like the look of them more, but I have to put Zane shit tuning on the bottom and a rattler up top. And it's just a little bit more that I have to do, and I have to have a specific deck. So that's shooting the shit about leafais. Leafais are good, dynamics are better, and BRTs look the best.